Imagine training your replacement at work. Now imagine your replacement isn't a person, it's software. That just happened to 21,000 people at Oracle, and the company put it in writing. Oracle, the $400 billion tech giant behind some of the most boring-sounding but mission-critical software on Earth, just filed its annual report with the SEC. Buried in the paperwork, their workforce dropped from 162,000 to 141,000 in a single year. And for the first time in a filing this big, the company explicitly said AI was a reason. The exact quote from the filing: "The adoption and deployment of AI technologies across our operations have resulted and may continue to result in reductions to our workforce." That "may continue" is doing a lot of heavy lifting. The deepest cuts hit research and development, 7,000 jobs gone. Sales and marketing lost 6,000. The restructuring cost Oracle $1.8 billion in severance and related expenses. 9,000 of those jobs were in the US alone. Here's what makes this wild. While Oracle was cutting humans, it was spending $55.7 billion on AI data centers, including its piece of the $300 billion Stargate project with OpenAI. The company plans to spend at least another $50 billion this year. So the math is simple: fire the people, hire the GPUs. And according to multiple reports, some employees said they were asked to help train the very AI systems that replaced them. Oracle hasn't confirmed that specifically, but the filing speaks for itself. This is now the largest publicly disclosed layoff where a company officially pointed at AI as a cause. Not restructuring, not market conditions. AI in an SEC filing, under oath, basically. If you work in tech, or plan to, this is the clearest signal yet. Learn to work with AI, or watch AI work without you. Oracle spent $1.8 billion firing people and $55 billion replacing them with machines. Let that ratio sink in. Drop a comment. Has AI changed your job yet? Subscribe. We're tracking every move in the AI jobs war.